mustaches. Because we don't want to make this video boring just making chicken, right?
Exactly.
So we need to spice it up a little bit. Every video we should probably have mustaches.
No, not every.
Almost every video.
Yes.
Every second part of the video we should have mustaches. And here's the barbecue.
So which one has it? 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
And I'll need to cut mine up.
About right in the middle.
I'm gonna need way more than that.
Okay.
When I say way more, I mean way more.
That's good.
I don't think so, actually. Honestly. Now I need to just wash my hands, so get a moment of Max.
Ooh, bug soup here.
Okay, they need to get a moment of you while we're doing this.
Well, oh, hello. Sorry she left you. Yeah, we've been hosting for 1 minute, 30 seconds, so... I don't know why I did that. Plus, this is washable. Bye.
Hey.
And today, we have made our chicken nuggets. We always make them in
The microwave. So bye.
the microwave.
So
bye. Bye-bye.